Brigadier Dr. B.D. Mishra upadi ulat ke Jylla Arunachal Pradesh mentakasngi ke Sautari Urisau arhajar arpuar ulabam Smai kum ulat Thymmai ke Jylla Meghalaya haraj Bhavan Shillong. Dr. B.D. Mishra ula shimti kum ulat ke Jylla hadin balakut kepor terekam ulat barim usatya pal malik. Hakani kasngi la sakhi de speaker ke Meghalaya Assembly uba amet ba lingdo ke Menteri Sorkar ba Bantidor lingdo ba Hamlet Sondoling Deputy Chief Whip ke Jylla uba Penyat Sing Siem rengkat kishipai bat kiwede kinong Menteri Sorkar.
155 and 160 of the Constitution of India. I, Draupadi Murmu, President of India, hereby appoint Brigadier Dr. B.D. Mishra, retired, Governor of Arunachal Pradesh, to discharge the functions of the Governor of Meghalaya with effect from the date he assumes charge of his office. Given at Rashtrapati Bhavan, New Delhi, this first day of October in the year 2022, 9 as Mishra, 1944 Saka, in the 73rd year of the Republic of India.
Yes, please. I, Brigadier Dr. B.D. Mishra, retired, do swear in the name of God that I will faithfully discharge the functions of the Governor of Meghalaya and will, to the best of my ability, preserve, protect and defend the Constitution and the law, and that I will devote myself to the service and well-being of the people of Meghalaya.
Salman, go!